Guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul. Prettynflawed showed some amazing new Bolero products, and y'all know I'm a Bolero junkie, and the packaging was so beautiful that I was like, let me try to find it. And thank goodness the Dollar Tree I went to had it. They just put out the display. The Dollar Tree I went to, if you're in Austin, Round Rock area, is the one off Gaddy. That's near Gaddy Town. I think it's called Gaddy Town now, but it's all 35. Right near 79. Whew, they had it. They just put everything out, and I went in there and I was like, let me get some. Okay, they only put out 2 of the new ones. I think there's 3 new Bolero lines, I think. But I got some of the new Bolero. I got some things for Easter, because y'all know Easter is right around the corner, and if you don't get the Easter stuff now, you're gonna be scrambling, and I'm not spending a lot of money on little Easter things when I can make Easter baskets myself and get things that I know my kids will enjoy. So excuse my voice, allergies are kicking my butt still, no makeup still, but we gonna do this thing anyway. Okay, so let's get started with the new Bolero before I talk about anything else. So they have 2, well, I think it's 3 new packaging and scents, but I only picked up 2 of them. The first one is the watermelon and mint. It looks just like this. Look at that packaging, it's so beautiful. It's 30 wipes that come in here, and I just got it really because of the packaging. I don't even know, like, watermelon and mint, does that even go together right? I don't even know. But the packaging is so cute. So I have 2 of them. I think I have more than 2. I think we'll see as the haul goes, but this is all I can point to right now, is that I have 2 of them. I did like it enough that I bought the body oil. I'm trying not to buy too many of Bolero body oils just because I have so much Bath and Body Works I have to get through, but I did pick up 1. Yeah, there's 2 more of them. So I have 4 total of the watermelon and mint facial wipes, and these will be really cute as gifts too. That's why I went ahead and made sure I have 4 of them, because this will look so nice in a little gift basket. So I have that just in case. I did pick up one of the watermelon and mint bath soaks. Looks like this, because you know when the Bolero line comes out, they have the whole display. It has the bath soaks, it has the body wash, it has the hand wash, it has the oils, and it has the facial cleansing wipes. I did not get any of the shower gels and stuff because I just know I love Bath and Body Works, so I'm not going to use it. And I know I'm not going to use the hand soap thing, because again, I use Bath and Body Works. But I did pick up the soak salts. This does smell really good. The watermelon and mint, it smells so good, and this is going to be so nice in the summertime in the tub. It says add 4 to 6 tablespoons to running bath water, soak and enjoy. Oh, this smells so good. Yeah, this is really, really nice. This one is really nice, the watermelon and mint. So definitely, if you can get that, pick it up. The next one I got of the new ones, because like I said, my store only had 2 of them. The pineapple, coconut, and lime. Like, look at the packaging. The packaging is super, super cute. And I did smell this one because I smelled the bath soak while I was in the store. Oh my goodness. And this is what the bath soak looks like. It's really, really nice. And this is going to be really relaxing. Oh, yes. This smells so good. Again, it's pineapple, coconut, and lime. It smells so good. I smelled it in store while I was there, and I picked up 2 of those because I'm going to use this now. Like, yes, I'm going to use that now. How many wipes did I get? I think I got 4 of the wipes too. So, yeah, that's 2 more of the wipes. That's the 3rd one. That's the 4th one. So that's the 4 wipes of that. And I just think the packaging is really cute. And $34 is a great deal, because, I mean, you go to Sephora, you get 1 set of makeup remover wipes for $20. I ain't paying $20 to remove makeup from my face. Sorry, my hair is in my face. I don't want to spend $20 to remove makeup from my face. I don't want to. Like, back in the day, y'all know I was all about that life, but now I'm just like, nah, I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree. I got 8 of them for $8. I'm good. Okay, and that's gonna last me some time. I can make gifts with them, anything I want. So that's that. I did pick up another Crest 3D white. I should be a spokesperson for it. cheese, because I love the Radiant Mint Crest 3D White, and I pick them up all the time, and I use it, Justin uses it, and the little kids use the Crest Kids one. So I definitely am all about that Crest 3D White. I thought these were super cute. I can't believe these were only $1. These are little flip-flops. Look at these flip-flops. These are super cute. I figured these would be nice around the house, or if I have to run up to the Circle K real quick, which is a gas station, and just get me something out of there. You put on these. These are really cute, and they were only $1. I mean, look at them. They're furry. They're furry. They're multicolored. They have a lot of these. So if you see these, get these. These are really nice. A lot different from the traditional ones that they usually have. So I had to snag these bad boys up. Home decor. I always love switching out things in the kitchen when the seasons change, because the seasons change, my kitchen needs to change. I just feel it brightens it up. So the first little towel I got, I usually keep it on the oven, you know, the oven rack thing, you know, the oven pool thing. This one is so cute. It gives you just the little recipe for margaritas. I thought that was really cute. And I picked up this kitchen towel. It just says hello spring. I thought that was really pretty. I don't use them to clean anything with, it's just for decoration. And then I got the little pot holders. So I have the pot holders as well. So I got that too. I picked up the Care Bears adhesive bandages, because we needed new bandages because they run through them, and half the time they're not even hurt. But mommy, I need a band-aid. I need a band-aid. What's wrong? I just need a band-aid. So we go through a lot of band-aids. So I got the Care Bear ones. I just thought these were really pretty, and I love Care Bears, so I got that one. I found this, and I got this for Grace because her lips get super dry, like dry and cracking. I can put lip balm on her before school, and then when we get to the school I have to reapply it because her lips just get super dry. Nothing else on her gets super dry but her lips. So I got the Lip Smacker Kiss Therapy sunscreen SPF 30 lip balm, and it's a clinically proven one that's supposed to be all about moisture. So I'm going to try this on Grace lips and see how it goes. So I'm going to keep it on my purse. That way I use it strictly just for her, because her lips are extremely chapped and dry, like all the time. So I'm really hoping this works. I got was more toothbrushes. Y'all know every 30 days I like to switch out toothbrushes. Grace just got her toothbrush set, which was the Hello Kitty with the last haul. So I needed some for the boys, and it's a girl one in here too, but the red one's for Justin and the blue one's for Christian. And then the pink one will just be a backup one for Gracie. But every 30 days I have to change out toothbrushes. I don't know why. It's just how I am. I don't know. I just love to do that. Now they do have Easter cards out now, and I did pick up an Easter card, and I picked up another card. The other card I already gave to someone, but these are 2 for $1, and that's a great deal because the hard line normally runs $2.39. So get them for 2 for $1 at the Dollar Tree all day long. I don't gotta go get no expensive Hallmark cards. I get the 2 for $1 all day long, okay? And they're very nice cards. They have some cheesy ones, but they have some really nice ones too. So I definitely recommend that. Some pens, only one left in here because now I have one in my car, one over here in the vanity area, and then one to show you because I run out of pens so quick, and I have to sign homework and stuff. Justin forgets to give me the sign, so I have to have a pen quickly accessible so I can write. So I had to get some more pens. I got this. I thought this was super cute. I'm gonna put it by the computer. I know you can put it outside the home, but I'm gonna put it by the computer. But we believe in the Easter Bunny. Look at that. How cute is that? We believe in the Easter Bunny. And it's so spring. It's just so beautiful. Oh my god, I like it. I might keep it up all spring long. I love spring. I love summer because I love pastel colors. I love pastel colors. So the season is back, y'all. It's coming for pastels, and I cannot wait. So I just thought this was really cute, so I had to pick it up. The last thing to show you guys is Easter baskets. So I like to do my own Easter baskets instead of, you know, getting one already made because I know what my kids like and what they want. So I got these, plus these are smaller, so when I have less in it they don't know it's left stuff. But I got this one for Grace, and they're about this deep so you guys can see. So this one for Grace, this one is for Christian, and then I got this one for Justin. So I'm thinking each one is going to have just something special that they really like. I'm going to get, you know, of course the little fillers, and I'm going to have the little eggs in them too. And then with the eggs, some of the eggs will have candy in it. Some of it, for like Justin, will have a couple dollar bills, you know what I mean? And then for the little kids, theirs of course will just be like candy. And I'm thinking Christian likes cars, so some cars for Christian. And for Grace, she likes little dolls, so doll and doll accessories. So yeah, that's what I plan on doing with these. But I thought they were cute little Easter baskets because the kids don't really care about the baskets after the first day. So I'm not spending $10–15 on a basket, because the Paw Patrol, just the basket itself for the Paw Patrol was $10. And I was like, man, I get the Dollar Tree one and just fill it with the stuff they like anyway, which is Paw. So that's it, guys. That's everything I got from this edition of the Dollar Tree. I don't go in as much anymore, so I got everything I got for Easter and stuff. So I probably won't be back in there for another 2 weeks. So I do good. I go in once every 2 weeks. I think my last Dollar Tree haul was about 2 weeks ago. And I think the stuff I got it like a couple days prior or something like that. And it was normally, it was only hygiene stuff, like hygiene, mainly hygiene. Yeah, it was mainly hygiene stuff. So I've been doing really good with my Dollar Tree shopping. I haven't been going buck wild like I want to, just because I just don't need it and I don't have the room for it, and I just don't want the clutter. I don't want the clutter, okay? I just don't. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, thank you for coming by. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and your notification bell is on. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.